नमस्कार, गुड मॉर्निंग। दे दी हमें आजादी, बिना खड्ग बिना ढाल, साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल. These lines describe the great persona about whom Albert Einstein said, generations to come will scarce believe that such a man as this one, ever in flesh and blood, walked upon this earth. On his birth anniversary, Bal Bharti Public School, Noida, remembers him with gratitude. We are celebrating Babu's 151st birth anniversary with this special assembly. And this day has the honor of being the birth anniversary of another great son of India, immortalized through his clarion call of Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan, and an exemplary standard of honesty in public life. Sri Lal Bahadur Shastri, the second Prime Minister of India, was born on 2nd October. We bow our heads to these great souls. We proudly welcome our principal, Ms. Asha Prabhakar, amidst us, and we welcome all staff members, students, and parents. It is said that good thoughts are the seeds for good deeds. Then what could be better than starting the morning with a good thought? And better still, if the thoughts belong to the apostle of Ahimsa, Mahatma Gandhi. We have been celebrating Mahatma's philosophy for last 3 days as a run-up to this day, presenting the thoughts for the day. The thought highlights the fact that as humans, we can achieve the unthinkable if we have the will. The test of strength lies not in the physical prowess, but in the minds and its morality. Gandhiji amply demonstrated it by taking on the then largest empire in the world with nothing more than truth and non-violence and emerging as a winner. The quote glorifies truthfulness and steadfastness of purpose and action with our values. It is only when our actions ring true on the anvil of our values we feel satisfaction of having done the right thing. The saying emphasizes the fact that humans disassociated with humanity are no better than animals. It is our innate humanity which helps us empathize, love, bond, and respect each other and connectively ennobles us all. This thought is also echoed in the song being presented next. These immortal lines by Saint Narsi Mehta were a favorite of the Mahatma, and they depict that how, by helping our fellow beings, we can be closer to God. Coming up with Vaishnavajan To Tene Kahiye, dedicated to Mahatma by the students of Bal Bharti Public School, Noida.
वैष्णवजन तो तेने कहीजे पीड़ पराई जाने रे।
I now invite the students of class 2nd C to share with us their thoughts on Mahatma Gandhi and also tell us about recently celebrated commemoration dates. Over to you, Anya.
I, Amya Yadav, would like to speak about Gandhi Jayanti. Why is Gandhi Jayanti observed? Gandhi Jayanti is observed on 2nd October every year as it marks the birth of a great leader, Mahatma Gandhi. He was also known as the father of the nation. He is remembered for his unforgettable contribution to the struggle of freedom. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated as the national holiday. Who is Gandhi Ji? Gandhi Ji, a great leader, also fondly called as Bapu. No to violence, no to discrimination. Do or die was his mantra. Hey Ram was his last words. In his death, India got independence. That's why he is known as the father of the nation. Now I would request Janvi Pandey to sing Gandhi Ji's most preferred devotional song Raghupati Raghav Raja Ram in the memory of him. Over to you, Janvi.
Namaskar everyone. I, Janvi Pandey of Class 2C, would like to sing a beautiful song in the memory of our Bapu. The song name is Raghupati Raghav Raja Ram. Raghupati Raghav Raja Ram Pavan Sita Ram. Raghupati Raghav Raja Ram Pati Pavan Sita Ram. Ishwar Allah तेरो नानक बल्लभ सीताराम ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरो नानक बल्लभ सीताराम रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पाव सीताराम ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरो नाम सबको सम्मति Vibhuti Marwa is going to narrate a story of Gandhiji and a dot monster. Over to you, Vibhuti. I, Vibhuti Marwa of class 2C, would like to narrate a story. The earlier night, a dirt monster flew down from the second floor and landed in front of Gandhiji's house. The next day, when Gandhiji was getting ready for his morning walk, he saw the very smelly dirt monster sitting in front of his house. Actually, this was the same monster that had flown from the neighbor Mr. Mishraji's second floor house. Gandhiji called out to him, "Come, see what has landed at my doorstep." Mishraji replied that this was the same monster that had troubled them the earlier night and was kicked out of the house with lots of difficulties. But, said Gandhiji, now it is troubling all of us. But before Gandhiji could complete, Mishraji went back inside and got busy with his work and family. As soon as Gandhiji turned towards the monster, he saw it was building an army of little monsters. Very soon, two little monsters went back inside and started troubling Mishraji's son. Now there was an attack in Mishraji's clean and fresh home. Soon they were all over the town wreaking havoc. This was in the news also. All the people gathered at Gandhiji's house for help and advice. Gandhiji wisely said, "We have to push these monsters out from every nook and corner of our town. Just keeping our house clean will not help. These monsters will leave our home but capture the city. They will make an army and attack in higher number. We have to make our good army big and strong. Every citizen in every city and town has to join our good army to become a clean soldier to tackle this menace. Get your weapons ready, brooms, rakes, and mops. Let us start this campaign right now. Left, left, left. Left, right, left." Wasn't that an amazing message on Gandhi Jayanti? Be clean and keep India clean. Thank you. Over to you, Madhav.
Namaste, my name is Madhav and I am going to tell about Gandhi Jayanti. Do you know Gandhi Jayanti is also celebrated as Swachh Bharat Divas to celebrate the birth anniversary of Gandhiji and the benefits of vegetarian lifestyles. I would like to show you some food art in order to inculcate healthy eating habits. This is a monkey sandwich. This is a Gandhi paratha. Make sure you eat healthy. So, my dear friends, please remember, go green, eat green, and keep India clean. Thank you so much. Have a nice day and Jai Hind.
Thank you, dear students. We now have a video presentation depicting the universality of Mahatma's ideas and how his thoughts can act as a conscience keeper to our nation.
आप मुझे जंजीरों में जकड़ सकते हैं, यातना दे सकते हैं, इस शरीर को नष्ट कर सकते हैं, लेकिन आप कभी मेरे विचारों को कैद नहीं कर सकते।
Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, born on 2nd October 1869, emerged as the greatest political and spiritual leader of the 20th century. Known as Mahatma or a great soul, he proved to be a guiding light for leaders across the world like Nelson Mandela, Martin Luther King Jr., the Dalai Lama, Aung San Suu Kyi, just to name a few. After returning to India from South Africa in 1915, he garnered international attention and a reputation as a powerful nationalist. सत्यमेव जयते अहिंसा परमो धर्म, ये उनके वो सुविचार हैं जो हमारी राष्ट्रीयता की पहचान बन गई. His non-violent ways and peaceful methods laid the foundation for an independent India. Gandhi's faith in different religions was commendable as he was open to Christian thought with the same fervor as the Hindu ideology. His principles helped reshape humanity and lost morality as he fought to remove the social stigma of untouchability by lending the epithet Harijan, the children of God. To him, the age of democracy was the age of empowering the poorest of the poor. On his 151st birth anniversary today, it is time to spell out the greatest lessons this generation can learn from his life. His first standout lesson was that the force of power can never win against the power of love. Secondly, war always inflicts pain on everyone. Also, an eye for an eye only ends up making the whole world blind. So, collaboration is the key to peaceful coexistence. Last but not the least, be the change we wish to see in others. One must become the catalyst of change and lead by setting an example. However, isn't it ironical that the country he fathered has become consumed by a materialistic fever? Violence against women has become endemic. We are sitting on a stockpile of deadly arsenal and there is rampant promulgation of corruption, lies, apathy and deceit. The glorious legacy Gandhi left us with is turning murky as we struggle with modern age existential dilemmas. But surprisingly, against all odds, in the dark recesses of one's heart, Gandhi still resides. Hope reigns supreme as Gandhism is a way of life, a philosophy, an idea that cannot be killed as it is relevant and synergetic with today's times. Those who forget history are condemned to repeat it. Within each one of us is a Gandhi, whether it is the symbolic Gandhi of South Africa or the Gandhi armed with nothing but a handful of salt who sent a message of peace and non-violence reverberating through the world, or that Gandhi whose Charkha Khadi movement ignited the spirit of Swadeshi, or the great man whose profound doctrine of truth caught the imagination of people all over the world. He manifests within each one of us in different forms. Come, let us awaken that Gandhi within. Let us preserve his memory for all times to come, because the future depends on what we do in the present.
Gandhiji was a karma yogi. He believed in the power of action and more so in purity of aim behind any action. For him, The rise and well-being of the poorest and the lowest was the touchstone of purity and merit of any action. I now invite Ms. Shweta Gupta to deliver a talk on this aspect of Gandhiji.
धन्यवाद शर्मिष्ठा मैम। निस्संदेह गांधी जी के अथक प्रयासों व संघर्षों को हम कभी भुला नहीं पाएंगे। यहाँ उपस्थित सभी दर्शकों एवं श्रोताओं को मेरा सादर नमस्कार। कोई तन न रहे निर्वस्त्र, भूखा न सोए कोई परिवार, भारत के हर एक जन को मिले शिक्षा और रोजगार, आपसी प्रेम व एकता के बल पर उन्नत राष्ट्र बनाना है, बापू की थी चाहत यही, इस चाहत को सच कर दिखलाना है, सच कर दिखलाना है। बच्चों, गांधी जी के विचारों और आदर्शों को अपनाना ही उनके प्रति सच्चा सम्मान प्रदर्शित करना है। क्या आप जानते हैं, गांधी जी अंत्योदय में विश्वास रखते थे, अर्थात वे आखिरी पंक्ति में खड़े उस आखिरी व्यक्ति का भी विकास चाहते थे जो अत्यंत गरीब है, यानी जिन्हें किसी भी प्रकार की सुविधाएं प्राप्त नहीं है। वे चाहते थे कि शासन द्वारा भी ऐसी योजनाएं चलाई जाएं जिनसे प्रेरित होकर देश आगे बढ़े, और इसी प्रकार की सरकार द्वारा एक अंत्योदय अन्न योजना चलाई गई जिसमें हर उस व्यक्ति तक भोजन पहुंचाया जाता है जो भोजन सामग्री जुटाने में असमर्थ है, जिससे कोई भूखा सो न सके। ऐसी ही एक योजना दीनदयाल अंत्योदय योजना चलाई गई जिसमें लोगों के हुनर को पहचान कर, उनके कौशल को सराहकर उनके विकास के लिए और उन्हें रोजगार देने के लिए अवसर प्रदान किए गए, जिससे गांव में बसे लोगों की गरीबी को दूर किया जा सके। साथ ही बापू चाहते थे कि भारत देश के सभी लोगों के बीच प्रेम व सद्भाव बना रहे, ऊंच नीच, गरीब अमीर, शिक्षित अशिक्षित का भेद ना हो। जब हम मन से एक होंगे तभी तो हमारा देश उन्नति करेगा। आजादी की लड़ाई के वक्त जब गांधी जी ने देखा कि जाति, धर्म, भाषा में अंतर होने के कारण लोगों में एकता नहीं है, जिसके कारण आजादी मिलना संभव नहीं था, तब उन्होंने भावनात्मक एकता के लिए प्रयास किए। उन्होंने लोगों को आपसी भेदभाव को भुलाकर, अपने निजी स्वार्थ को छोड़कर राष्ट्र के हित के बारे में सोचने के लिए प्रेरित किया। अतः गांधी जी की इन मूल्यपरक शिक्षाओं को हमें आज भी अपने जीवन में अपनाना है, तभी हमारा उन्नत व उत्कृष्ट राष्ट्र का सपना साकार हो सकेगा। तो प्यारे बच्चों, आप देश का भविष्य हैं, क्या बापू का सपना पूरा करने में मदद करेंगे? इसी विश्वास के साथ धन्यवाद।
Thank you, ma'am. As I mentioned earlier, today we also celebrate the birth anniversary of Sri Lal Bahadur Shastri. His probity and honesty is an inspiration to many generations, and his services to the country are unforgettable. I call upon Ms. Umesh Kumari to celebrate his illustrious life through her words.
2 अक्टूबर को जन्म लिया था, नाम लाल बहादुर शास्त्री था, कद में भले ही छोटे थे और गुणों में बहुत महान थे। सादा जीवन, उच्च विचार, यही उनकी पहचान थे, यही उनकी पहचान थे। सभी दर्शकों, श्रोताओं को मेरा करबद्ध नमस्कार। स्वर्गीय श्री लाल बहादुर शास्त्री जी वास्तव में सादगी और विनम्रता की प्रतिमूर्ति थे। उनके जीवन की ऐसी अनेक घटनाएं हैं जो उनके स्वभाव की सरलता और निश्चलता को स्पष्ट करती हैं। आज उनके जयंती उत्सव पर मैं आपके साथ कुछ ऐसी ही घटनाएं साझा करना चाहती हूँ जिनसे ये प्रतिबिंबित होता है कि उनसे ज्यादा विनम्र प्रधानमंत्री शायद आज तक भारत में नहीं हुआ। ये बात उस समय की है जब शास्त्री जी प्रधानमंत्री नहीं बने थे, वे देश के गृह मंत्री थे। उन्हें दिल्ली से कलकत्ता के लिए शाम को हवाई जहाज पकड़ना था। उन्हें थोड़ी देर हो गई। भारी ट्रैफिक के कारण ऐसा लगने लगा कि शास्त्री जी समय से हवाई अड्डे नहीं पहुंच पाएंगे। पुलिस कमिश्नर ने उनसे कहा कि वो सायरन वाली गाड़ी भेज देंगे ताकि शास्त्री जी के आगे आगे जब वो गाड़ी चले तो ट्रैफिक खाली हो सके, जिससे शास्त्री जी समय पर हवाई जहाज पकड़ सकें। परंतु देश के गृह मंत्री शास्त्री जी ने यह कहते हुए प्रस्ताव ठुकरा दिया कि इससे कलकत्ता के आम लोगों को असुविधा होगी। तो ऐसे थे शास्त्री जी। और एक घटना उस समय की है जब भारत और पाकिस्तान का युद्ध हुआ था सन 1965 में। उस समय देश में अनाज की कमी हो गई थी और अमेरिका ने भी भारत को खाद्यान्न निर्यात करने की धमकी दे दी थी। तब वे प्रधानमंत्री थे। तब शास्त्री जी ने देशवासियों से अपील की थी कि वो हफ्ते में एक दिन अन्न का सेवन न करें। देशवासियों के सामने मिसाल पेश करते हुए शास्त्री जी ने घोषणा की कि उनके परिवार में कल से एक हफ्ते तक शाम को चूल्हा नहीं जलेगा। उनकी इस घोषणा से ऐसा असर हुआ कि उसके बाद कुछ हफ्तों तक अधिकतर रेस्टोरेंट और होटलों में भी इसका पालन हुआ। यही वो समय था जब शास्त्री जी ने ये कहा कि हमारे देश के किसान और हमारे देश के जवान दोनों ही देश का अभिन्न अंग हैं, और उन्होंने नारा दिया था, जय जवान जय किसान। एक और किस्सा जो बहुत प्रसिद्ध है वो ये है कि 1966 में जब शास्त्री जी का निधन हुआ तो उनके पास कोई निजी घर या जमीन नहीं थी। प्रधानमंत्री रहते हुए एक फिएट कार खरीदने के लिए उन्होंने बैंक से जो कर्ज लिया था वे उसे मृत्यु तक चुका नहीं पाए थे। उनकी मृत्यु के बाद उनकी पत्नी श्रीमती ललिता शास्त्री ने वह कर्ज चुकाया। तो ऐसे थे महान शास्त्री जी। ऐसे शास्त्री जी को कोटि कोटि नमन, और हम ये दृढ़ निश्चय करते हैं कि हम उनके पद चिन्हों पर चलेंगे, तभी हम उन्हें सच्ची श्रद्धांजलि अर्पित कर सकेंगे। धन्यवाद।
Thank you so much, ma'am. May I request everyone to switch on their cameras and adjust the same before rising up for the national anthem. With this, we have come to a close for this morning assembly. Once again, on this day, let us remember the stalwarts who were born this day and resolve to live by their ideals and values. They worked hard to achieve and perfect. Thank you, everyone, and wishing everyone here a pleasant day ahead.
मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगल गायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 जय
I thank Principal Ma'am, members of the staff and students, parents for joining today's special assembly. Jai Hind.